And these are two myna birds. Now one has approached toward the wall, and other pair is walking on floor. Now other also flew. They love to flew here and there. So this is nature beauty. How beautiful things are looking. If you like this video, tell us. And these are beautiful flowers. And after the rain, these flowers looking really good to me. How you like them? Please share. If you know the names of these flowers, you may tell us. And there's also a tree along the wall, which is making all the site lovely to see. Weather is also beautiful. You can see. How you like this video? Please tell me.